Hi, this is Backpack. I'm going to start with my photo reference. I wanted to do a log cabin that would use was the things in the assignment, which is the array of logs, array of the railing, and to use a mirror image. So that's why I chose this sort of symmetrical cabin. I thought it was a really nice image. So from there, I did this box. You still see some things peeking through it, but I did the house as a kind of a box, just a plain model, so that I have a guide and that I could scale it. So everything is as close to scale as I could use with this scale tool here. So I'm going to remove the box, and you can see this is the exterior. Lots of arrays. The bool is really difficult to use with an array unless you make a mesh. And the mesh, as I discovered, has to be manifold. Because if the mesh isn't manifold, the bool doesn't work. I would get like a log showing another log and two logs disappearing. So I had to rework the mesh a number of times. I love the mirror. The mirror is extraordinary, really powerful tool. I got mirror going on all over the place. Could not mirror the whole house as one unit without making a mesh. And with Blender, I don't like that you cannot, if you parent something, the child object does not work as an array. It doesn't work with the modifier, so I would have a lot of orphan tree trunks floating around the landscape, just like orphan objects. So I ended up just mirroring everything separately on the house, and also creating the trees with different arrays as opposed to um, the scatter-on surface. It just wasn't controllable enough. Also, I'm clueless on how to apply the materials yet. I did try my hand with using the nodes. Fabio was helping me through trying to figure out why my render was pink, because I had a background HDRI that wasn't showing. And then this is the interior. I have to admit that I did not read the assignment thoroughly enough, and I didn't start doing my interior until this morning. So I made these chairs, log chairs, kind of interesting log chairs with terrible materials application. And I made this, have to have an elk rack in these kind of hunting lodge cabin places. That I did with the extrude on a point and a skin modifier. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of fun. All of it's really fun. I just wish I was better at the camera, and a lot of trouble with parent-child objects. Everything's got bevels going on. You have to know when to use the bevel tool versus the bevel modifier. Okay, that's all I got.